Hi, lovies! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, ipapakita ko lang sa inyo yung aking compilation of Red Ribbon videos. Yes, kasi share ko lang a little background. Kasi nung this year, 2024, January nag-start. Bali, nagkaroon akong collab with them. And nag-start dun sa may fudgy brownies nila. Luckily, kinuha din nila ulit ako. And contract naman to for 8 months. Yes, nung unang kala ko a year kasi yun yung napagkakintindi ko. Pero nung binasa ko ulit yung contract, it's 8 months. Yes, it's 8 months. So, nag-start yung contract. Minessage nila ako noong April. So, parang magandang birthday gift sa akin kasi April is my birth month. Then, nag-start yung first campaign ko sa kanila. Yung nag-contract na mga month of May. Ayan. So, doon nagsimula. And every month meron. Except noong September, naging busy din sila kasi under din ako ng agency. So, ayan. Maraming salamat po Kenny Rogers family and sa agency na kumuha sa akin and to work with Red Ribbon. So, ayan, let's start. Just keep on watching.
Ang sarap. O, diba natakam din kayo? Sige na nga, i-share ko na rin sa inyo to. Nagutom kasi ako and while scrolling sa tablet and guess what I saw? It's Red Ribbon's Fried Chicken Empanada. And yes, it's back. Sakto din ngayong araw aalis ako and dadaan na rin ako na malapit na branch namin ng Red Ribbon. After lang minutes, I just arrived at Red Ribbon SM Mega Mall. I'm so excited to try the chicken empanada kaya tara, order tayo. Got my orders. Let's taste test now. First time ko to try and grabe, ang sarap pala itong Red Ribbon's Fried Chicken Empanada. It's a must try. Let's do a zoom version and look how yummy it is. It is fried chunkier and meatier and has delicious bread. Definitely the perfect snack for the day. What are you waiting for? Visit any Red Ribbon branch in your location and try the fried chicken empanada now. Hi guys! Tomorrow is Father's Day na pala. Bigla ako napa-flashback sa moments noong newborn pa si baby and si hubby naman ay first-time dad. I knew from the start he's going to be a good father to our son. Also, alam ko at first mahirap sa amin mga naging adjustments as first-time parents, but as long as nagtutulungan kami, makakayanan lahat. To hubby, thank you for everything, the love and sacrifices you made for your family. I'm really grateful to be sharing life, love, and parenthood with a wonderful man like you. We love you! Dahil napaka-special day ang Father's Day, gusto ko i-surprise si hubby ng cake. Nakita ko tong poster na may 3 cakes na pwede for Father's Day. Triple chocolate full roll, round mocha dedication cake, and tiramisu meltdown regular. Itong napili ko which is the triple chocolate full roll. Fast forward, nandito ako ngayon sa Red Ribbon branch para bilhin na yung cake. Nearby din sa work ni hubby to, kaya sinurprise ko na rin siya. In a few minutes, nandito na si hubby at sinurprise ko siya with the cake. Advance Happy Father's Day! You deserve a special Red Ribbon's triple chocolate roll cake because you're the sweetest husband ever! After i-surprise si hubby, we decided to eat dinner na rin and syempre we're going to eat this cake. Dads deserve this triple chocolate roll is a soft chocolate chiffon, choco icing, and toppings rolled in one. What are you waiting for? Surprise your super dads say deserve something special this Father's Day. Who says you can't celebrate your small wins? Well, I did. It's possible with Red Ribbon's round dedication cake. So a little story time lang tayo. Year 2020, I started to be an influencer then collaborating with small brands. I love to support them kasi I know the feeling too kasi I'm a business owner that time. Fast forward, nag-try na rin ako pumasok sa YouTube world and that was September 2020. At first, I was really hesitant to do it kasi I'm a really shy person but there's this one person, my friend named Nicole, napanood niya unboxing video ko and encouraged me to do vlogging na din kasi I have the potential. So I took the risk and then magic happens. I just want to share a bit of my story kasi I really want to inspire people. Hanggat may isa o dalawa na naniniwala sa'yo, ipagpatuloy mo yung ginagawa mo. At pag mahal mong ginagawa mo, everything follows. Anyways, I reached 16,000 subscribers on YouTube. That's why I ordered the round vanilla sprinkles dedication cake because vanilla is my favorite and I want to celebrate my small wins. It is also available in other flavors like chocolate, creamy caramel, rainbow, and mocha. This round dedication cake is new and it looks really nice. It has more special looking with its new round shape. And it still tastes delicious just like before. I love vanilla so much. Small or big wins, make it special with Red Ribbon's round dedication cakes. I want it, I got it. 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 Yes, I got it all. Napabili ako kasi nag-crave ako and surprise ko yung mga pamangkin ko and ang mga napili ko ay mga bestseller ni Red Ribbon. The round chocolate dedication cake has rich and moist chocolate. The triple chocolate roll is loaded from filling to icing to toppings. The black forest is special because it has a luscious choco cherry taste. This butter mamon is made with real butter and it is loaded and the cheesy ensaymada is loaded with cheese. Napaka-special talaga lahat ng products ni Red Ribbon, all made with love.
Surprise!
Wow, thank you.
By the way, kaya keep going ang nilagay ko kasi nasa college na siya and gusto ko ma-motivate at ipaalala ang buhay ay di karera. Ito namang triple chocolate roll, ensaymada at mamon ipapadala ko sa isang pamangkin ko naman na si Tasha. Nasa ibang area kasi siya kaya ipapadala ko na lang. While waiting na matanggap nila ang padala ko, alam niyo na ba to? Si Miss Ann Curtis is the newest endorser ng Red Ribbon, ang bongga. I met her before sa isang event and she's so nice and gorgeous. Going back, nag-chat na si sister at nag-send na video ni Tasha.
It's here na. Thank you so much, Tita Pam.
Red Ribbon has always been special tasting and of good quality that's trusted and well-liked by everyone in the family. So make today a special day with Red Ribbon's best sellers. Grabe, ilang araw na ako nag-crave sa matatamis. Tignan nga natin ano meron dito sa ref namin. Oh no, ni isa wala pala kami stock dito at ito na nga, nag-decide na lang umalis at bumili sa labas ang moms nyo. In a few minutes, nakarating na tayo dito sa SM East Ortigas and yes, dito ako dinala ng aking mga paa. Habang naglalakad, sakto nakita ko ang Red Ribbon, my all-time favorite store. Dito na lang ako bibili ng desserts. Ang welcoming ng manager and staffs dito. Kapasok ko pa lang, ito na agad napansin ko, the Red Ribbon cake slices. Ito mga kinuha ko, chiffon cake slice, double Dutch cake slice, and choco cake slice. And ito meron na rin palang ube at mocha marble cake slices. Bukod sa masasarap, ay affordable pa ito. 37 pesos lang siya per piece and may available din na assorted pack for pasalubong. It is only for 180 pesos. At babayaran ko na nga mga ito at baka ubusin ko pa lahat ng meron silang cake slices. Char! Agad na ako umuwi ng bahay at pagkarating ko, kinuha ko tong Red Ribbon Double Dutch Cake Slice. Favorite ko to kasi it is chocolate and vanilla with marshmallows and choco chips. Para kang kumain ng Red Ribbon cakes at legit na kasing sarap niya pa. Natakam ka na din, no? Buy yours now!
Tita Pam, what cake are we going to buy for your mama's birthday?
You've come to the right person. I know a good place of selling cakes. Here, oh!
Oh, I want this one. It looks delicious. And Mama loves chocolates too.
Tara, let's buy it now.
Oh, yeah.
So we're on our way to the store and in a few minutes, we arrive here at Red Ribbon C. Raimundo, Pasig. Madali na kaming pumasok sa store at buti na lang may stock pa ng Red Ribbon Round Chocolate Dedication Cake. Balita ko kasi palaging sold out dahil mabenta. Agad kong binili at ito naman ang aming dedication. Happy birthday, Mama, Ate, Tataan! After makuha ang cake, we went home and we surprised the birthday celebrant.
Happy birthday to you.
Wow, is that for me?
Yes! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you!
We made the celebration more special with Red Ribbon's Round Chocolate Dedication Cake. It is made of rich, moist chocolate and colorful candies. This is best for birthdays or celebration, and it's truly the best tasting chocolate dedication cake. Price starts at $4.50. Celebrate birthdays and life sweet moments with Red Ribbon Round Chocolate Dedication Cake, where every slice is a taste of happiness. Hi everyone! Have you tried these petite cakes from Red Ribbon? Oh, hindi pa pala. Nako, sakto. Meron akong lahat ng flavors nila. Pakita ko sa inyo. So here are the 3 original flavors. This is Ube Bloom Petite. It has ube chiffon cake with real ube halaya filling, coated with white frosting and delicious ube crumble and topped with ube glaze and a flower accessory. Next is the Caramel Delight Petite. It has delicious layers of white chiffon cake filled and coated with creamy caramel icing, topped with luscious caramel syrup and cream toppings. Lastly, the Black Forest Petite. It is made with layers of decadent chocolate fudge and cream, covered with grated chocolate topped with cream and a maraschino cherry. Now, here are the 3 new flavors. First is the Cappuccino Creme Petite. It has delicious layers of chocolate and mocha chiffon with coffee liquor cream, covered in milk chocolate ganache, topped with cocoa powder and a beautiful latte art. Next is the Mango Sunrise Petite. It has soft white chiffon with refreshing mango filling, covered in creamy icing with mango bits, topped with a delicious mango glaze. Lastly, the Chocolate Bliss Petite, a delicious milk chocolate cake made of layers of soft chocolate chiffon and smooth chocolate cream, wrapped in an indulgent milk chocolate icing. Red Ribbon's Petite Cakes prove that good things come in small packages. Everyone can choose among the 6 unique flavors for any of their mini celebrations. I'm a coffee lover, that's why I chose this cappuccino cream and it's so delicious. Also, the other Petite Cakes are for my family and I'm about to surprise them. So what are you waiting for? Try the best tasting round Petite Cakes now in everyday size. Hello! Are you looking for a cake that is unbelievable milk chocolatey deal plus the pricing is out of this world? Drumroll please! It's none other than Red Ribbon's Chocolate Bliss Cake. This is my go-to dessert because of the collision of the creamy milk chocolate galaxy and soft chocolate chiffon. kaya out of this world ang pricing niya kasi tingnan nyo naman to. Regular is 499 pesos, junior is 299 pesos, and petite is only 199 pesos. O diba napaka-affordable at masarap pa. At kaya naman ako natakam lalo kasi nakita ko tong poster ni Miss Ann Curtis, the newest endorser of Red Ribbon. Together with its new unbelievable endorser, you will surely have an out of this world experience once you try the new Red Ribbon Chocolate Bliss Cake. Are you looking for a cake this coming holiday season? I highly recommend these holiday cakes from Red Ribbon. First is this timeless black forest cake. It is made with layers of decadent chocolate fudge cake, cream and cherry filling covered with grated chocolate top with chocolate squares and maraschino cherries. Second is this red velvet bliss cake. This is a must-try because it is made with delicious layers of soft red and white chiffon with cream cheese icing filling, covered with red velvet crumbs and topped with beautiful creamy icing. Last is this new holiday chocolate dedication cake, and this will be available on December 19, so don't miss this out. Also, this holiday cake starts at 470 pesos. They are all beautiful, delicious round cakes, and they make holiday celebrations special and complete. Make your holiday celebration special with Red Ribbon's holiday cakes.
So ayan, tapos na yung mga compilation ng videos. And before I end this video, I would love to thank Red Ribbon and yung agency na nag-contact sa akin para mag-run ng contract with them. Maraming salamat po for this opportunity. And thank you so much for believing in me, for trusting me, and loving my works. Yes po, maraming salamat po. Naka-work ko ang Red Ribbon. And I really hope hindi ito yung last. Sana more pa, diba? So maraming salamat po ulit, Red Ribbon. So this is the end of my vlog. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope na nagustuhan niyo tong content ko. If ever you have any comments or suggestions, kindly comment below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Mommy Pammy. I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye!